What is up, you guys? It's Withercraft Brothers here, and we're back for another video. And we're in Washington, D.C., and there's the monument that you guys can see, and I'm at DCA. That means Reagan National Airport. And I'm watching people take off and land, and yeah, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys them take off and land. There goes one's taking off. As you can see, that Southwest is about to take off, and that one's taking off too. Bye bye American Airlines. And yeah, so and there's another plane. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's up there somewhere. And there's the plane, Southwest Airlines. Is about to take off. And there it is. There it goes. Bye bye, Southwest. Ow, that's a rock. Is that a rock? Yeah, no. There you go. Bye bye. And then here comes. I don't know what that is. What airline is that? Let's see. It's probably American Airlines, because that's the American Airlines port. Watch out, it's gonna get loud. Never mind. It's Delta Airlines. Yeah. 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 It just landed, and American Airlines is about to take off. And I don't see the other plane that is coming. I don't see the plane. I don't see the other plane that's coming. It's probably taking a loop right now. It's probably taking a loop. It's taking a loop. All right, here's the amazing news. We won our game yesterday, and we mercy rolled them 14-4, and Fairfax American, so we destroyed them basically. And in the 5th inning, we could have won like at the 4th inning, because that's the mercy rule, and we could have won then. They were winning 3-0 until the 4th batter, and then the 5th batter, me, 4th batter hit a triple, and then I hit a single to the outfield that scored the first run, and then I got stranded at second base because I stole, and then yeah, so I got stranded at second, and yeah, so I'm just like, at least we won. That's really cool that we actually won. And let me just show you guys the airplane that's taking off right now. Well, you can probably see the one in the background. There it goes. Bye-bye. But now this one's going to take off soon, because it's American Airlines, and yeah. Sorry about the people. The people walk around here because it's a bike track and stuff. So, and there goes American Airlines. Bye-bye, American Airlines. And I don't see the other Where's the plane that's landing? It's not it. Ah, there it is. Okay. It's just really sunny out here, you guys, and I'm like, it's really hot out here, and I mean, look at this. Here comes an airplane that is landing. And an airplane that is taking off. So there's American Airlines that is taking off. And there's an airplane that's landing all the way over there. And you guys are gonna hear a loud sound coming from the engines. You can already start to hear it. It's gonna be a loud E noise because of the engines the engine sounds. Because it's American Airlines. As always, because there's the American Airlines port and the Delta port. And here's American Airlines that is coming in to land right now. And that's why there's nobody on the runway. So, and I'm gonna face you guys to the belly. So close your ears and see ya. Perfect landing. Okay, they just did a good landing. And the bird was like 3 inches away from me. I was hesitating there. There's the airplanes. Airplanes are coming in from that way. It's still pretty high. So there's about like 3 airplanes that might be able to take off. And there's an American Eagle, the smaller planes. American Eagle and American Airlines are about the same thing. So, and there goes an airplane. There's like Orioles around here. Yeah, so there goes an American Airlines, and then there's another American Airlines right now, right in front of us. So, and I'll start videotaping when another plane lands. See ya. I'm back. I just took a run, okay. Alright, so the next plane is coming right now. Southwest Airlines. He's taking an unexpected turn. I don't know where that guy's going. Huh? Why? Do you think he has enough gas? Yeah. Ow. Alright guys, that guy bailed. Yeah, he aborted his landing, and he's a Southwest dude. So here's another Southwest guy. So, and to show you again, there's the pencil what I call it. A monument, and there goes the Baltimore Oriole. That's a Baltimore Oriole. Okay, there goes the airplane, and bikers are coming in hot. Okay, they're stopping here, and there's a goalpost, and there goes the red-winged blackbird that my mom says. There goes the airplane. So that's really it, you guys. That's it. So, okay. See you guys next time. Sorry, this is not a very long video, but at least it's action. All right, see you guys next time. See ya.